Hello and welcome, guys. In today's video, I'll be sharing all the details about the Boinkers Airdrop. You've probably seen many users mining on this app, and today, I brought you a trick to make the most out of it. You've already seen in the thumbnail how much the price could go up. Stick around as I'll guide you step by step on how to complete tasks and stay updated with the latest features. Let's dive right in. So, here's the first step. As you can see, I've set the price multiplier to 7x and 700x. I've already completed some tasks, and look here, these are the coins I've accumulated. Now let me walk you through the new update. You'll notice festive themes like the Christmas and New Year's party events. These events have tasks where you collect bottles to unlock rewards. If you're unfamiliar with this, don't worry, I'll explain. Let's get started. First, you'll see your available bottles. Right now, I have 0 bottles. To earn rewards, you need to collect and use these bottles in the spinner. For instance, I have 35,000 coins and 15 spins available. Let me show you how it works. I'll start with a 3x spin since I've already collected an energy drink bottle. Watch this. I just spun and earned 300 coins. I'll keep spinning to show you the results. As you keep spinning, you'll notice rewards accumulating. Let me demonstrate live for you. Look, I've just received 12,000 coins, and the spinner rewards keep coming. By completing more spins, you can unlock even higher rewards, up to 7 million coins. To maximize your earnings, focus on completing tasks. Let me guide you. Click on the task menu and prioritize the ones offering free rewards. For example, I've just claimed a free key and unlocked a box with 5 rupees and a spinner bill. Remember to check the task list daily and keep claiming these free items. Even small rewards add up over time, so don't miss out. Now, let's talk about the crypto price update. Earlier, it was anticipated that the listing would happen in November or December. With just a few days left in December, the exact date isn't confirmed yet. But don't worry, if it's delayed, the listing will definitely happen by January. As for the pre-market price, it's currently at 0.003, and it's projected to go as high as 0.006. This project is gaining momentum, so keep an eye on it and complete tasks to maximize your earnings. So guys, to wrap it up, stay updated with the app, complete all your tasks, and keep collecting free rewards to make the most of this opportunity. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, please give it a like and share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to the Crypto Pearl channel for more updates on crypto tricks, tips, and news. See you in the next video, and happy earning!